Hi, welcome back here on the Senior Network. We are now joined by Becky Davis, the Cypress of Hilton head.
Nice to see you again.
You look great as usual.
Oh, well,
good to see you.
Great weather, huh?
Oh, I know.
This is wonderful.
You mentioned it when you walked in about the holidays. I'm like, oh, really? Cannot believe that.
But it's okay.
Yeah, it's a good thing.
With that comes
it's
beautiful weather.
This is gorgeous weather.
And the beaches become ours again.
Yep. What's going on at the Cypress?
Well, like you said, it's the holidays, and we're planning for Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
The chef, his staff, Chris Caton and Bill, the sous chef, they've already have a remarkable menu planned for Thanksgiving.
Right.
And I think this year, because of last year with the shutdown with COVID and everything, I think this year we're going to see more family on campus.
I agree. Yeah.
And I'm hoping so. I hope that's a reality. Yeah. And we do such wonderful things. I mean, we can cater in people's homes. Mm-hmm. We have a private dining room that you can use and for your family and friends. And it's just so it's an exciting time for the Cypress. The holidays are always the best for our members and their family.
Didn't you just have an open house or something?
I did. Thanks for asking.
How'd it go?
It was awesome.
Great.
Yeah. This is, touch wood, that this is the last year that we're going to have a virtual open house. Hopefully in the spring we'll be able to open up and have on-site visitors.
Sure. But
it was great. And what's so great about it is people can sit in their homes, go through all the different model types. Right. We had over 600 clicks to the link.
Good for you.
Know, right?
Good for you.
And and then they share it with their friends and their family. So then their family sees the videos, so they call me. And it's just a great way to build up our wait list. Yeah. Just to remind everyone, the Cypress is a continuing care retirement community in Hilton Head Plantation. We have a finite set of inventory. So we're really building that wait list for folks who want to move now, but also in the next few years. So it's a great way to reach out to so many people.
Well, let's talk about that. When it's time to move.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. What do you do?
Oh, we do. Wonderful. Yeah, thank you. So we have this third-party company called Coastal Coordinators.
Okay.
Who works closely with Susan Lentz, our move-in coordinator.
You actually have a coordinator for this.
Oh, yeah. Wow. Yeah, so we have Susan Lentz, who's our move-in coordinator, and she's been there 25 years, by the way, this month. Yay for Susan. So she works with folks and helps them pick out their carpet and their paint, which the Cypress does at no additional charge to the purchaser or seller.
Okay.
But then it's always like, what do I do with my other stuff? And who's going to help me pack? Because people have been in their homes for, 25, 30, 40 years here on Hilton Head. And so coastal coordinators will go in and help them pack. And then they'll move and then they'll help them unpack. Or maybe it's like, help me clean out the attic and we're going to set things aside for the charitable organizations like the Bargain Box or, the Church Mouse, something like that. So it's a great benefit, especially since travel is so hard for families to get here to help their parents. We pay for unlimited time. So
that is awesome.
It is.
Because I can imagine that's probably a deterrent almost to move in, knowing you've got to go through that whole process.
Well, you've moved.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my God.
And just recently, yeah.
Yeah, I know. I know. People say
I still have trauma, yeah. No,
I know. It's out of PTSD, right? Yeah, so it is. It's a huge benefit. And it just takes that distraction of moving off of their minds. And also, it's a benefit. I say it's a gift that keeps on giving to the kids. Because the children know this is going to get done in a thoughtful, organized way.
Exactly.
And there you go.
Speaking of the kids, do you work a lot with, say, family members? Do they actually help with their parents to go through that procross?
Well,
not the physical moving, but the planning.
No, but the mental move. They're helping mom and dad, through the transition of selling their own home. I can't help them sell their house, but their family is there to help them do that. And also the emotional support. That I get a lot of that. And I love getting calls from the kids wanting their parents to move to the Cypress because I know I already have an advocate.
That's awesome. And I bet in the market now, the homes are selling so fast, aren't they?
Yeah, they are. We have more demand than supply right now.
Sure.
And it's a good problem to have, to be honest.
Yeah. Becky, you guys do a fabulous job at the Cypress. You really do.
Bragger.
You do.
I know. I got to brag about us.
Thank you for joining us today, okay?
Thank you.
Stay with us. More to come here on the Senior Network.